Yeah, g'day. It's Chriso from Down Under. This is the floor I'm doing, and all I'm going to be, like, I've got my tracks. I'm just putting this camera on my head. I've got my tracks. Now, the easy part, I've cut my straight edge to length. Just happens to be a level of mine, but I don't like it, so that's why I've cut it to length. So all you're doing is watching your points, like you're watching that track and you're watching that track. When you drag back, so you don't dig in. So with your right hand, you're watching the right hand side and making sure that you're not pushing down or anything with your left hand. Then your head moves and you look over at the left and then to the right, and you're watching that rail all the time. I don't need to fluff around with a wooden floating it. It's all lovely and nice as it is. I'm tiling it straight away. Then all you're doing is you just lightly go over what you've just done to make sure that there's no gap under your level at that rail and no gap under that. And I hope you can see right through that there's absolutely no gap. I'll use a cleaner level. See that? See that? Dead flat. And that's how you want to get it. And then once you've got it like that, I measured across, and I've got about 100mm cut against this wall. And then I'm going to start a full tile there, and I've got a 200mm cut at that doorway, that's cool, super goodo. Now with that fresh, I don't need to 3-4-5 it. I know this wall's pretty good. I stay out from it a little, and I adjust my aluminium accordingly, 2 or 3mm, whatever, so it's square to my tiles. Hunky dory. Happy days. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Yo. Later.